I done had a bad case of too many bad days. Got too many bad traits. Use the floor for ashtrays. I don't do shit halfway. I'ma clear the cachet. I'ma make my name last. Put that on my last name. It's a different type of rules that we obey. Yeah, 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 season, nigga, we obey. We was all born to die, nigga, DOA. Niggas say they hero, I don't see no cape, I don't see no, yeah, I don't see no, If I wasn't shining so hard, wouldn't be no shade. Buckwheat ass nigga, it's gon' be okay. Sorry, but I chose not to be no slave. Young nigga shit, nigga, we don't age. I thought I was fast like T-Bo ways. Even when I went broke, I ain't break. How you gon' hate, nigga, we go way back to when I had the braids and you had the wave cap. Drop a pin for the fade and I'm on my way ASAP. Don't get shocked in the mouth, you know homie don't play that. Pay the fine marshal bill cause the shit they get way back. They wanna see me go, hey, hey, hey. All you gotta do is speak on yay. All you gotta do is speak on yay. Don't get your two chip like Frito-Lay.